Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to create animation by shape layer. Let's begin! Let's start! To create an animation by the shape layer, we have to create a keyframe by the shape layer properties and change its values. Click the timeline panel or composition panel. Then, from Layer in the menu bar, select New, click Shape Layer. In this way, a new shape layer has been created in the timeline panel. Click the Add button to create a shape. When the Options menu appears, you can select your favorite path, stroke, fill. This group can create paths for the shapes. Please note that only paths are drawn until this point of time. This group can specify the fills, strokes, and so on. This group can add various effects to the shape layer. Here, I will choose Polystar. Then, a polystar will be created by default like this. However, this shape will only have a path without stroke or fill. If you want to create stroke, click Add button and select Stroke. Stroke properties have been added to the contents. When you add a line, the shape of the star is displayed like this. In the contents of the polystar path, there are the number of points, inner radius, outer radius, inner roundness, so we can adjust these numbers to create the animation for the shape. We adjusted properties to create a shape like this. Next, hit a keyframe on the created shape to add animation to it. First, move the playhead to the time you want the animation to start. Click the stopwatch button in front of the property for which you want to create a keyframe to hit the keyframe. Then, move the playhead to the position where you want the animation to end. Adjust the number of points, rotate, inner radius, inner roundness, outer roundness to create a graphic at the end of the animation. After you change the value of the property, the keyframe will automatically be created. Finally, press the play button on the preview panel to see how the animation will play. To add movement to the shape, you can adjust and change the position property in the polystar path 1. First, move the playhead to the first frame of the animation. Click the stopwatch button in the position property in the polystar path 1 to hit the keyframe. Then, move the playhead to the frame that you want the animation to end and adjust the position value. If you press the preview button to play it, you can create an animation in which the shape changes and moves like this. This is the end of the lecture on how to create animation by shape layer. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.